Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Mixer. Today I'm gonna show you how I made this cute little fella. Ooh. Yay! This is exciting. More Halloween stuff. Whoa! And this time I'm gonna make little ghosts with a little light inside. The idea came about when I started seeing all these ghost videos, and they all looked amazing and they were really cute, and most of them were made with air dry clay, which is what I will be using today. But then I had an idea. I have these little plastic shot glasses, and I kept thinking, I was like, oh, they're gonna be perfect. And then I bought these lights for when I did my other Halloween video, but I didn't use them. Dough. And so I thought, oh, will they fit? And oh my God, yes, they do. I'm gonna use the shot glass as a mold to make the little ghost, but let me show you. These are the little tools that you need. A shaping tool. We need that size to make all the shaping of, like, make it look like a drape. And this is going to help us to smooth all the little bits and just make it look like it's draping. And then we need a little cutter, this is piercing and this is a little cutter, but that's what we need because we're going to be cutting holes. And then these, which are going to help us to smooth some of the clay, but also to make the eyes, the holes for the eyes. And I don't need this. It's a bit random. Let's get on with this. Let me start. So we take a little glass. Before I take a chunk of clay, I need to put my gloves on. Reason being is because I injured myself making the big pumpkin, the big light pumpkin fairy house. So I better put my gloves on. So I've got this Decor clay. This is the first time I use it. It's okay. I didn't like the terracotta one, but this is stone. Obviously for this kind of project, maybe the white air drying clay, it will be better, but you can always paint it, which is what I will be doing later. So let's start. Let's take a big chunk of clay. Woohoo! And we're gonna be shaping it into a ball. I think I've got too much. So when you've got your little ball, just put finger in the middle and then you start pinching the sides just to raise them up a little bit. And once you have a hole in the middle big enough to put your cup in, you put your shot glass upside down, and then you've got like some sort of a mushroom, and then you keep pinching and squeezing the clay just to cover all of the glass. Work your way around and then smooth the top bit to have like a dome shape. And ta-da! And you're gonna end up with something like this. And now we do the shaping. We've got a little ghost, and what we're gonna do indents. On the sides. So then that is like our drapes. And then we squish it down with our hands and our tool, just so it does look like it's draping. And then we smooth it. We make the little corners, we just make it round and we smooth it out and lift it up. This is so satisfying. It's pretty much a process of making it up as you go along, and once you have a shape that you like and you think it does look like a ghost, go for it. You're there. can smooth it with your hands a little bit, just to make it. And then we make the eyes. I'm using this, and I'll just press it down. And there we go. We got our little eyes. And then what I do is, with this sharp tool, I'm gonna draw a mouth. However you want, but just make sure that it's quite big, because otherwise you won't see the light. And then I'm gonna cut it. There we go. What I'm gonna do, just have any tools that it helps you to smooth the edges, even inside the mouth. Just use it. Just use anything that you can. I've got the little side. There we go. And then I'm going to do the same with the eyes. I'm going to carve it. I'm going to carve the eyes. Should be easier because we squish them down. Don't worry if you can't get all of the clay out, because we're going to let this dry for a few hours, and then we're going to be taking the little cap out, because otherwise it's going to crack as it dries. But there we go. That's our first ghost done. Oh, I love it. So once you see that your ghost is not fully dry, but dry enough, then you can start taking out the little cup. So smooth it out, loosen it up a little bit, and then ta-da! And you've got your little ghost. As this is still, as I said, a little bit wet, we can probably still sort out the eyes and get rid of the excess clay. And there we go. This is proper spooky. And again, we just loosen it up a little bit. Doesn't matter if they break, unless you want to keep them. But these are still wet, so it's good enough to take them out, but they do stick. And then I can clean up the inside of the eyes. Make sure it's nice and smooth. And there we go. Oh, so simple, so simple. And it's literally just making a bowl and shaping it on top of the little glass, the shot glass, and shaping it with the tool. Just make it look as if it's drapes. Ah, so exciting. So now I've got these two are dry, and I'm going to be painting them. As I said, you can use white clay, but I had this that I bought it ages ago because I wanted to try it, and so I've got to use it. But now that they're dry, I'm going to be painting them white. I'll keep my gloves on, might as well. But nice and thick paint. I'm not going to even dilute it. And here we go. I'm gonna make a mess. First coat done. Gonna do the second coat on the one that I made previously. Brilliant. And that's done. Once they're dried completely, I forgot. We're going to put some tissue paper inside. So then it gets like that nice orangey glow. Well, I've chosen orange, but you can choose any color you want. Purple. Ooh. Black, maybe not. So I'm going to tear a little bit. I've got some PVA glue. I think this is going to be too big. You just put PVA glue on the inside and then we attach the tissue paper. Spread more PVA glue just to make sure that it's attached good and proper. We trim the excess. We get rid of any excess glue. Got me carried away. And here's our little ghost. What do you think? Do you like it? Ooh, spooky and cute at the same time, which is my favorite. Well, cute is my favorite, spooky not so much. Not bad for somebody who doesn't do spooky. Oh, I love them. I'm in love with these and I can make them forever and ever and ever. They're so easy to make. It's just clay, few tools, and a little bit of tissue paper, and da-dang, and you can make loads and loads and loads and loads and decorate your house and decorate your table for Halloween. Ah, I love them. I hope you love them too. I'm really excited. They came out really, really well. They're just so cute and adorable. I hope you really like them and I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you have, why not give me the thumbs up? It really helps the channel to grow. And also, why not subscribe and hit the bell to receive the notifications on when the next video is out? Because, oh my God, once Halloween is out of the way, guess what's coming? I am so excited. I am so excited about everything. And I'm excited that it's going to be a year. Well, it's a year. Oh my God, it's a year that I've been doing this YouTube channel. Oh my God. Let me know if you watched any other videos. Let me know if there's your favorite, what you thought. And I would love to hear some feedback. It's great help for me. And happy first year. Thank you so much for watching. Take care for now. Bye. Bye.